and there's a short way of doing this one. You might notice that this bracket, the x minus 5, is actually included in both of these terms. So what we have is that x minus 5 is actually a common factor, and a common factor you normally put in front of a bracket, but it is itself a bracket, so I'm going to put it in a bracket. Okay, so if we look at the first expression here, we've got 4 brackets x minus 5 squared. So what would we need to multiply x minus 5 by to get this answer? I'm going to need to multiply by 4 and another of those brackets, x minus 5. Then we look at the second expression. What do I multiply the bracket by to get this? Well, the answer is 3, so I write plus 3. Now to factorise completely, it's x minus 5. Second bracket, if I remove the bracket, I get 4x minus 20 plus 3, but I can see then that that's x minus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 17. Now, you might not have realised that x minus 5 is a common factor, in which case a good way forward there would be to remove the brackets. So think of x minus 5 squared, remember, as x minus 5 times x minus 5. And then I'm going to remove the bracket there now, so that's 3x minus 15. Now to remove the bracket here, don't do anything with the 4 to start with. Just remove the bracket inside here using FOIL. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 5, well, that's minus 5x. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x. Minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25. And then that's plus 3x minus 15. So if we simplify what we've got here, that's x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus 3x minus 15. And that comes out then, if we remove this bracket, as 4x squared minus 40x plus 100 plus 3x minus 15. And if we simplify that so it looks like a quadratic, which is what it is, we've got 4x squared. We've then got 3x minus 40x, well, that's minus 37x plus 85. Not easy to factorise at all. Now, how you factorise it depends on you, but I'm going to go with just a bit of guesswork, really. I know that it's going to be either 2x and 2x. If I put a 2x there and a 2x there, 85, well, it's probably going to be 5 times something, because I can't think what else it's going to be. So I have a 5 there and a 17 there to make 85. I can see that's going to give me 10x. Here I've got 34x. That's not going to make me 37. Not going to work. Okay, if I try 4x though, and x, and again 17 times 5, well, I can see that if I put the 17 there and the 5 there, well, 17 times 4 is actually, 17 times 4 is actually going to be 68. That's going to give us 68x. That's going to give us 5x. Again, we're not going to make 37x from that. But if I swap things around a bit, so if I just put 4x here, and then 17 here, x here, and the 5 there, I've got 17 times x, obviously that's 17x. 4x times 5 is going to be 20x. There's my 37. So actually all I need to do is put a minus there and a minus there. And there's my solution. Much quicker though if you spotted that x minus 5 as a common factor.